Primals need to know!
Primals need to know!
Primals need to know!
How hard Liverking Chef Lionel?
How hard Liverking Chef Lionel?
How hard Liverking Chef Lionel? What Liverking Chef... Wait, what Liverking... What is it?
Liverking Chef Lionel works on Saturday.
Works?
Works.
It's what Liverking Chef Lionel works on Saturday?
Yeah, Primals need to know how hard Liverking
That's it. Okay, got it. Primals need to know how hard Liverking Chef Lionel works on his last Saturday. Liverking here, and I always say, how you do anything is how you do everything. So do it with the goddamn highest standards. And this is why I'm so proud to announce the man, the myth, the legend behind all of our ancestral meals. Meet Liverking Chef Lionel.
Liverking Chef Lionel here, and here's what's for dinner. In this episode, I'll be cooking the goat. But not just any goat. I'll be cooking the best goat ever. I'll be focused on the tenderness of the meat and also the flavor to create that perfect bite for both people who grew up eating goat and people who've never had it until now.
That's really good.
So join me as I cook this delicious Mexipino dinner for my going away party.
You've cooked for us for so many years. You lost a snake on the plane. Let's open this up right, if you don't mind. Let's crack this open.
Yeah, boy!
All right, 3, 2, 1. I'm Liverking Chef Lionel, and here's what we're cooking Liverking today. Fire roasted goat was my first goat dish, and I've cooked goat plenty of times. It's easy to get in South Texas, and it's a challenge to cook, because not everybody likes the taste. Cooking it on an open fire gives a great charcoal flavor and makes it a little bit tender, but you still have a slight goat flavor. That's coming out good. I'm Liverking Chef Lionel, and today we're gonna go ahead and make some salt crust. I cooked goat so many times that I had to get very creative on how to cook it. Salt crusting it made it very tender, but it trapped all the flavors inside, including the goat flavor, making it very strong. For this goat, I want to cook it on a fire at a low temperature for a long time, and I want to brine it overnight. These will help make the goat tender and flavorful. And if you're wondering what a brine does, I know the perfect guy to explain it to you. I'm Liverking Chef Lionel with just a cooking tip. Right now I'm using a brine. Brines are used whenever we have a very gamey meat or meat that we want slightly softer as well. Something that's slightly acidic will definitely help out with this. Right now I'm using a yogurt. Alternatively, you could also use some buttermilk. We're gonna rub this, let it sit overnight, and this will help soften the meat and bring out some of those gamey flavors. A charcoal smoker is perfect for this process. It keeps a low temperature and provides a good smoke flavor. And I'll be using hickory wood to smoke it. Hickory wood's not as overpowering as mesquite is, so it's great for goat. Now that it's done brining, we're going to wash it off and prepare it for smoking.
We'll make the goat.
Goat, yeah.
I think I feel the bone, so that's why. After cutting it and you feel the bone, just like your dad.
Ooh, that was really easy, Bubs. Thank you you did a good job.
I think my knife is not strong enough.
Now it's Daddy's turn. I grew up in a pork culture. We had to cook food much longer to make it tender, which means there was always someone in the kitchen to talk to.
Home Depot is really more expensive. Yeah.
And look up to. I'll be putting a little bit of my culture into this dish with a dry chili marinade. Okay. Boiling the chilies will soften them up, and the lime will make it more tender. I'm smoking this at 275 degrees Fahrenheit until it reaches an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. It's very early in the morning. Let's check our meat. This initial smoke will cook it thoroughly and give it a smoke flavor. But it'll still be tough. To make it tender, we're going to braise it by adding in some moisture and wrapping it. Some water. That fit. Because the goat is almost touching the roof, I'm putting a second thermometer to monitor the temperature inside. That is that temperature, and we'll see this in 5 hours. We actually won't. I pushed that snooze button way too many times, and I didn't have time to get the shots. But here are the important things. After you remove the meat, you want to let it rest for at least 2 hours covered. This will help the juices redistribute and keep that meat very moist. It was so moist that it fell apart whenever we brought it out, making Goat Mountain. Here we have our 10-hour smoked goat leg. Let's see how it tastes. The longer you smoke it, the more tender it's gonna be. And whenever it's very tender, the bone comes sliding out. See that pink stuff, that's that smoke ring. Cheers. That's the best goat ever. All right, Tabby, have you tried goat before?
I have not. I just heard it was different and a little bit weird and never had the opportunity to try it.
You're about to have your first opportunity. Go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think.
That was really good. I would compare it most closely to brisket, except the texture's almost better.
Okay.
It's like fall off the bone.
And here we have the chef's perspective. Let's try out the goat from one of the goats himself.
It's really good. The flavor's there.
How's the
Texture's there. It's very good.
Have you tried goat before?
In my country, back in my country, we do it a lot. There's a lot of goat in my country.
He was very nervous at first. This right here is gonna be smoked goat, so it's gonna be a Texas-style goat. Until he tried the goat. What are your thoughts?
It's really good. Absolutely tender,
How's that
juicy. You know, the taste of the goat can be gamey.
Mm-hmm.
This isn't gamey at all.
Awesome.
It's like super good.
Beer cake boar was pretty dope.
The boar was dope. Underground,
Yeah.
which again, that one got you most views of the year.
I know.
I'm a ratings magnet. What can I say?
Yeah.
One of my first weekends was whenever we did the Stingray.
Oh man. Forgot about that one.
That was a rough one.
That was really rough. We did the stingray, the shark, and then also, was there one more that we, on the boat, where we all got seasick?
Y'all got seasick.
I got seasick. 5 minutes. In it to win it. One of the biggest challenges is timing everything so the food doesn't get cold, especially with filming.
You just stand here and swamp the flies away.
And the flies.
Are you a smart?
Nope.
No.
The last 23 hours of work
3
was all for the next
2,
31 seconds.
1.
Primals need to know how hard Liverking Chef Lionel works on his last Saturday.
I'm Liverking Chef Lionel, and tonight for dinner we're gonna have a full-on Mexipino dinner. That's Mexican and Filipino. We're gonna have some 11-hour smoked cabrito or goat. This will be complete with some garlic rice, some fried egg, some lumpia, and to finish everything off, of course, we have our barbecue sauce going on to the cabrito. That's what we're having for dinner tonight.
Liverking!
Liverking Chef Lionel, out! When I first put on that Liverking Chef jacket that Friday night at the Impulsive Podcast, I really had no clue the journey I was about to embark on and the once-in-a-lifetime experiences I was able to have.
Primals need to know
How hard Liverking Chef Lionel
works on Saturday.
I'm Liverking Chef Lionel. I'm Liverking Chef Lionel. I'm Liverking Chef Lionel. And for dinner tonight for Earth Day, we make critters that eat Mother Earth to save our planet. We smoked a whole cow, Liverking Ranch rabbit,
Alligator jalapeno popper.
and for my first time ever doing a cold plunge, we're gonna have a dinner traditional Louisiana crawfish boil, pork and organ kebabs. This is a primal pizza, armadillo pot pie, puto in your mouth. I'm Liverking Chef Lionel. For dinner tonight, we have steaks on a plate. That's what we're having for dinner tonight. That's what we're having for dinner tonight. That's what we're having for dinner tonight. Liverking Chef Lionel, out.
Now you gotta get it all the way. Now Liverking Chef Lionel, out!
If you want to get more of us video, just subscribe to the channel for we can record more of cooking videos.
I like the votes.
Make sure to like and subscribe.